In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a backlink audit of any website using SEMrush for free. This walkthrough is perfect if you're evaluating your own site's link profile or reverse engineering a competitor's strategy, and we'll keep everything inside the free tools so you can follow along without paying. First, log into SEMrush.com. Using a free account ensures you can access the domain overview and see the core backlink metrics. Keep in mind the free plan has daily limits and may restrict how many results you can expand, but it's more than enough for a quick audit. Next, type the domain you want to analyze into the top search bar and press enter. If you want a complete picture of a site, enter the root domain without HTTP or HTTPS. If you're only interested in a subdomain or a specific section, you can paste that instead, but the root domain gives the broadest view. On the domain overview page, scroll down to the backlinks section. This is your snapshot of the site's link profile. If the page looks busy, don't worry. Focus on this block and you'll get the headline insights you need in seconds. Start by checking the total backlinks. This number counts all discovered links pointing to the site, including multiple links from the same domain and site-wide links like footers. Use it as a volume indicator, not a quality score. A huge number isn't automatically good. It could reflect lots of low-value or repetitive links. Look for steady growth over time rather than sudden spikes, which can signal artificial patterns. Then check the referring domains. This is often a more meaningful metric because it counts unique websites linking in. Generally, more unique domains equals a healthier, more diverse profile. If you see a very high backlinks number but relatively few referring domains, that can mean many links are coming from the same places, which is less impactful. Next, review the follow versus no-follow links. Follow links can pass authority and potentially improve rankings, while no-follow links usually don't pass authority but still help with visibility, traffic, and a natural-looking profile. A balanced mix is normal. If nearly everything is follow, that can look unnatural. If nearly everything is no-follow, don't panic. Many large platforms default to no-follow. Finally, check the anchor text distribution if it's available in your view. Anchor text is the clickable text used in the link. A healthy profile typically includes branded anchors, variations of your brand or URL, and some topical phrases. Red flags include an overwhelming percentage of exact match commercial keywords or lots of irrelevant, foreign language, or spammy anchors. Context matters. Look for patterns, not one-off anomalies. That's how you check backlinks in SEMrush using a free account. Subscribe for more SEO tutorials.